Hello, welcome back to our another session of SuccessFactors PMGM module. And today we are going to start the new activity, that is activity number 26. And before this, in the last couple of sessions, we have completed till activity number 25. In case you have missed any of the previous activity in this hands-on, and you can always go back to our school.successlabsacademy.com, and from that you can always go through those sessions, right? So you can simply go to the school.successlabsacademy.com, and that requires a gold membership. And inside that, if you go here, school.successlabsacademy.com, under gold membership, you have a PMGM module, that is performance management, goal management. And if you go inside it, you will be finding all these things, whatever we are doing now, that you will be getting in this implementation track. Okay, so already we have 28 lessons, you can see. And we have completed in the last sessions how to configure the general and global settings in the performance form template, right? So today we are going to start with a new exercise, that is exercise number 26. And in this, we were going to do today, that is configure the introduction, employee information, and signature sections, right? And this can be done using two different track. So you can see that this exercise can be done using the instances, as well as the starting point is also the provisioning part also. Both way we can do it, right? So today we are going to see from an instance side of it, and from a provisioning side of it, you have to do it, right? So that I'm not going to discuss. So that is an exercise for you. And let's start with the starting point instance, that is manage template. So from here, we have to go to the manage templates, and let's start with that. Manage template. If I go to manage templates here, from manage template, you have to go here. Then we have to go to the basically where to find out the form name, the form which we have created, right? So that will be coming under again our, let's say, performance review. So any of the form which you have designed, that you have to bring in here. So this is your performance form template, and in that we will be going a particular performance form template. Let's say this is the one which we have created. Let's say this is the one. And in this performance template, let me go there, and we have a specific fields and sections. And inside that, if you go, and we will be having sections like guidelines, employee information, review dates, and all. All right. So here, if you see, so there are two things here. Choose your form, and after that, in the section name field, enter the name, section name, description text box, section name where it is. So let's go to the system. So here, these are different sections. Section type, section name. So these are different section name. You can see section name. These are different sections name. And suppose I want to get a new section also, I can add a new section. So these are different section name, if you can understand, right? KRA, summary sections, what are the sections you are having, that we will be putting it here. Okay. So now in the description text, again, for every section, whatever you are seeing, edit fields and sections here. So if I go here, we have a description section as well. So in the description section, we do have a detailed description of that particular section. We have guidelines here and here also. This is a very simple exercise. So you can see in this, we have a section name and section description, right? So this is all about this exercise talking about it. To create a hyperlink, we have to select the link icon and add the following details, right? Suppose if you want to create a link here, and there is a link here icon here, you can see that. Okay, suppose I want to create a link here, and I can put here link the URL, and I can put here like the specific URL here. Okay, so for the time being, I'm just putting a simple one. Let's say it would be open SAP URL. Just for the testing purpose, we can utilize it. And this is our link, and I will put it here. Let's say this is my URL, and display text maybe open SAP. I can put it here, click OK. And whenever the person will be seeing these things, you will be finding here that link, you will be able to see that, right? So this is something we can put it here. Okay. This is how you can put your URL, you can put an image, whatever you need it, right? So we can unlink it also. You can put some bullet form, write something here, okay, in the descriptions and all. So this is a very simple one. You can do it, and I'm not going to further explain, right? And same thing can also be done in the XML side and also, right? So these are something very simple exercise, section name, descriptions, right? And once you have done it, you have to simply save it. Click OK and save the changes, right? And whenever you're doing it from your XML point of view, you have to again form template settings, and you have to go there and to download your XML template. And here again, what they are saying, right? So in the section, so you have to see validate the XML file there, and in the employee information sections, right? And you have to put there is something called signature section on the form. And in this, what they are saying, test the comment box in the signature stage, right? So this is something I'm not going to do it. And this is something is an exercise for you. If you're having an access to the provisioning, right? You can do it, right? So this is from an XML solution point of view, okay? And you can do that. So this is a solution for it has been given, like from an instance point of view, how to do it. And similarly, if you're going to do it from the provisioning, okay, after downloading the form, right? So you have to put it the order of the fields the way you want it. So the different section name are given, right? So here you can see this is a different sections name, rating, strength. So these are the different section configuration. Here we have element name, first name, your data, then last name, we have a speed. These are different elements of this, right? You can have a department, you have a manager, okay? So these are different things you'll be finding here. Again, what they are expecting us to do on the form, replicate the signature section in the figure. Signature section should have also overall comment box, right? So what they are saying, use either the instance or XML solution. If you want to go for your signature sections here, right? So here we have to find out here in the manage template and section name, enter the name. So advanced options, right? And include the your particular section. So let's say these are different general sections we are having. Okay. If I do here, let's say I'm canceling it. I don't want to save it. Okay. So here, this is the one of the performance form. We have the general settings here, right? So general settings. Here we can see there is something called advanced settings, right? You can go here, and in the advanced setting, what they're expecting us to do. In the advanced setting, if you go here, so advanced options and select the include comment checkbox. Okay. So if I go to the include comment checkbox, right? Let's say I will type here, include comment. Okay, it is not found, is it? Let me comment. Use plain text only for comments. That is one field. Disable. Okay, enable computer form item comment copy. Allow exit step comments. These are different comment section. If you want to enable them, you can do that in this way. Okay. Otherwise, let me check some other options here as well. So advanced, this is advanced settings. There is something also advanced options. So here, yeah, we have so if I go here, there is two things here. Hide advanced word options. If I hide it, it will be hidden. It will be so advanced options means it will be showing you all the advanced options. So here, what they're expecting us, so advanced options, right? Then after doing that, enable previous step button, enable scale calculations, enable rating. Then what else we do have here? Okay, so this is advanced settings, higher advanced option, enable delete button, enable previous step button, enable scaled adjust calculations, Okay, advanced setting, comment. Okay, so these are different comment sections we are having. You can do that, right? So this is something they're expecting us to do here in this exercise. A very simple exercise, just you have to choose those options as per your requirement, right? So this was all about your exercise number 26. So looks very simple. And you have to just introduce, configure your introduction, employee information, and signature sections in your system. And it is super easy, right? Once you've done it, then let me know if you're facing any issues here. If you're watching it from the LMS platform or you're watching it from the YouTube, just let me know if you're facing any issues here, right? So whenever you're going for a provisioning, you have to go through a form template settings, and from there you have to navigate. And from the starting point is from instance, it's the manage templates, right? Just to summarize, this is the thing here we have to do. Now let's mark it as a green as we have completed this exercise, right? So now, once it is done, so the next exercise or activity, what we are going to do in the next session, we'll be starting with the configuring goals sections and how to populate different goals. That part we are going to cover in the next sessions. So for the timing, so you just complete the sessions, they configure the introduction to this exercise, and let me know if you're facing any challenges or issues while performing this activity, right? So we'll stop here. Thank you very much. And we will see you in the next session in the next activity.